This corner two-story terrace has endless possibilities with a land area of 4,133 square feet. The home was built to accommodate a large family that enjoyed entertaining indoors. With 6+1 rooms and 6 baths, if this layout fits the bill for you too, some minor touch-ups and fixes will have this place ready for your family in no time. Otherwise, think about how you could optimize the land area and rebuild your home. To rebuild your home, it would cost an average of Rm 250 to 300 per square foot of the build-out area. If you're a small family, a build-up of 2,500 square feet should be ideal. Perhaps transform this into a 3+1 room or even 4+1 room. This would cost about 625 to 750,000. This build-up size could easily leave you with over 2,000 square feet of land within your home compound. The average semi-Ds in TTDI are 3,600 square feet in land plot, and those in good locations are currently transacting at an average of 860 per square foot. This home is asking for 2.95 million or 713 ringgit per square foot. If you're looking for 21st century's most precious commodity, then this could be the home for you.
Come and explore TTDI with us by checking out our website. See you next Monday for my next video.